As a youth, hindi ko makakalimutan sa Rema ay yung youth camp. When 2014, I attended youth camp in Rema, and I was so blessed that the Holy Spirit called me to be a student of Rema. And I call, the God called to me ay hindi ko na pinahindian pa, kundi tinugong ko na yung Holy Spirit. I'm a product of youth camp na I'm so blessed na many things na binigay sa akin si Lord. Pinatatag niya yung spiritual life ko, pinaganda niya yung prayer life ko, at tinuruan niya ako how much more to be in fire in worship, in prayer, in devotion. And wala akong masabi kundi yung buong buhay ko ay kinumit ko na kay Lord dahil sa Rema, tinulungan ako ng Rema na lumago sa Panginoon, maging devoted sa Kanya at commitment. At wala akong masabi kundi yung Rema is my second spiritual home, and that's why